you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are fixing a seafood boil. Now the other day I shared a post where Ron and I went to Harris Teeter and we found shrimp and crab legs on sale. And every time Ron see them, he always grab them because we can eat them all the time. So listen, I'm gonna just sit here and chat with you while I prepare the kitchen. Because listen, boiling seafood is literally just that. You just boiling the seafood, starting with what takes the longest to boil first, down to the shortest. So that's all I'm doing right here. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great day today. What did you do? What did you eat? Do you have any summer plans for vacationing? In the morning, well, while I'm editing this video, actually, the day of, we're leaving for the beach, and I'll be bringing you guys along that little trip. I'm actually going to babysit. Not really, though, but that was the invitation for the trip, is that I just come along and, you know, keep the boys for a couple hours for 2 days while their parents, you know, enjoy mommy daddy stuff. So Ron and I are both taking advantage of the trip and some ocean view stuff, because y'all know Auntie love the beach. Anyway, that is sangria that is from Aldi's, and it doesn't have a lot of alcohol in it. You know, it's just something to, you get to throw a little refresher. Anyway, Ron is just now getting home from work. He is taking a shower. Then we can eat. Anyway, are y'all the same way? I know I've asked you this before. Like, do you cook and clean at the same time? I'm one of those people that will wipe down. I realized that while I'm editing this video, actually. But I'm one of those people that will continuously wipe the same area. I don't know if that is I don't know what that is. Somebody let me know. Are you the same way? Like, you constantly wiping down, even though you know it's nothing there? Are you still wiping down the counters or your area? I don't know. Maybe it's a clean thing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any bags for us to put our boil in, so we're just going to put them in bowls. Now, look, I seasoned everything separately, but then I season it all together. This portion of the video is currently sponsored by Wooga. So let me tell you about a game I have been playing lately, and I am obsessed with the game, and Ron is over it. This game is called June's Journey. If you like crime, mystery, solving stuff, this game will be perfect for you. And I love anything crime related. So basically what has happened is somebody done killed June's sister and her sister's husband, and she is giving clues and talking to staff members. And what you do is you go into the rooms once you read about what the clues are, and you find all the clues listed on the screen in each room. And as you advance from one room to the next, it'll let you know if the room has been cleared so you can move on, helping June get closer to figuring out who murdered her family. Make sure you download this game. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description of this video for you to click on so that you can download. Thank you, Wooga, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Don't forget, guys, go download this game. Bye.
Could you grab me a... Oh, you taking off your jug. You ready to go ham.
Yeah, I just don't... My hands is itching so bad. I wish you made a fork.
Yeah. Could you give me a fork?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Thank you. What is this?
Is it for you to dig in there?
Just give me a fork.
Oh, you want a fork? I thought you wanted to dig in the crab legs. Why you acting like you above that little fork?
It's a little bitty thing.
But it's for digging in the crab legs. Small places.
Oh.
Oh, you just feel some type of way about holding it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know we can eat this every day for real.
Yeah, smashing.
Every day. I'm so hungry.
You are?
Yeah, I waited all day. I knew I was preparing this.
Yeah, buddy.
What that butter tasting like though?
Delicious. Delicious.
Mmm.
Very good, ain't it?
Oh, my hands are so itchy.
You got this perfect. It means some money coming your way.
It's from the shrimp. That raw shrimp.
It means some money coming your way.
Right. Okay. Mmm. So good.
Let me see here.
Mmm.
Yep. Yep.
I feel bad for people who want to eat seafood but can't because they have allergic reactions to it.
Some people still do it, just be puffed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, my hands is just itching really bad. Nigga, do they pink?
So, is this something new?
It's always been that way.
For real?
I can eat them with no reaction, but touching them, handling them,
You should wear gloves.
causes this. And it'll go away in a little while. Oh, it's so itchy.
It's perfect. The end of the day. It was a long, hard day.
Your day was long. You look hey, the pictures you sent me look good though, babe.
Thank you.
I knew you was gonna go over there and finish banging that out. So are you done?
No, I had the quality inspection today, and I got some items that I need to rectify. She pointed out so many little small defects this time that I'm not gonna do it myself.
Oh, for real?
I'm gonna call a contractor back in to fix his stuff.
Give me an example.
Just like look, the walls not being perfectly smooth, little gouges or nicks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around the outlets not being smooth.
Now after everything is done, right? Those same city inspectors that you had to come every part of the process, right? They coming back to do a final too.
I've already got that. That's the CO, the certificate of occupancy. Once you get that, you're done with all the inspections.
So everything now is in-house with y'all, the builders.
The city said, "Hey, y'all can move in, y'all good." But my company is like, it has to be perfect.
Right. That's a nice little layout too of the house. I like how the upstairs is configured. In terms of privacy. Do they have kids? Small children or? Okay.
Yeah.
They do?
So he's building it for his daughter, Cash. And I believe his daughter has one child.
That's a cash house?
The Cash house.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
The kids are home, brand new. That is a blessing.
That's a blessing. It's a blessing for, people that's able to do that for their parents or whatever, Because it's a difference. Like, people don't understand, or people do understand, but sometimes people don't understand. It's a difference between me pulling up in a new car and say, "Hey, baby, this is your new car." And then you got 7 years of payments.
You really didn't buy me a car.
No. I finance you a car. That's the whole difference when you go in there and lay that cash out and buy it outright, title in hand. And me come and sit home and say, "Hey, baby, this is your new car." So that's his deal. His daughter getting a house.
Ooh.
But she would have
the title, the deed.
Yep. You do?
This from where the house is even built at. Oh, sorry. You excited about tomorrow?
I am.
Babe, are you really gonna relax?
So-
Because everywhere we go, everywhere we've been, you have done work. Everywhere we've been, I don't know if you really actually relax. I can't never really tell.
My goal, I'm setting an intention to get some R&R.
Okay.
That's the intention.
And that's all you can do.
Work from wherever we're at, you know, but still be working. This time I actually put in. Speaking of, I'll be there tomorrow. I was like, oh.
Tomorrow is in Thursday.
I mean Saturday.
Oh.
And I'm just like, yeah. I forgot all about it.
And you know what? Saturday was also the skate party date. But this wasn't a planned trip though either, so.
No, it wasn't.
But.
And it's so interesting because so many weekends we sit
Yeah.
and have nothing to do, and then all of a sudden this weekend we got 3 events that we got to choose between. It's so good. I haven't even ate an egg yet.
I'm not excited. Just to be on the beach.
I know, you love that water.
Need it.
Man, I can give me some vitamin D.
The supplement.
The supplement instead of sun?
Well, you're so far behind.
Yeah.
You need help.
Yeah.
The sun is not going to do it for you. That's why you're so tired. You don't have energy and you don't sleep good. I used to think it was me, but it's you.
If you don't, if whatever you didn't have doesn't matter because this is so delicious. Like, this is so delicious.
And you said, well, thank you, baby. You said you do or don't eat mussels.
I mean, I don't eat mussels. I mean, I wouldn't go to the store and buy them.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? They, I don't know. It's like the texture is not right for
It's
me.
just like a shrimp, though, the texture.
No, it's different.
Look at that.
It's different. Because it tastes seafoody. But, like, oysters too.
But
I
you
can,
eat
eat
them,
the, I can eat the canned oysters or oysters in something, like cooked, but out the shell.
Oysters out of the can, but not out the shell.
Out the shell? Look. You take it and then put it in your mouth and then slam it. Oh, instant.
And you like it?
No. Instant gag. Instant gag.
Why would you be eating a slimy oyster out of a can, though?
No, so the oysters out of the can cooked into something. Like dressing.
Oh, you ain't gonna just eat an oyster.
Not to eat the oyster too, though. Like, I can eat the oyster out the can. It's okay for me. But out the shell, it's too much going on now.
But out the can, ain't it still slimy and
soft?
But
it's different. It's different. It's different. It's different. Trust me, it's different. The statement got rid of some of the nastiness that my body instantly rejects. I done tried it 4 times. And my body instantly rejects oysters out the shell. You know, people go to Red Lobster, whatever place, they order them and then crack it in.
I ain't never upset.
You never did that?
Oh.
Oh.
I don't like the texture. But people would say the same thing about a shrimp. Like, how y'all eating
Shrimp delicious.
sea roaches?
Really delicious.
See? You think they're delicious.
You know, man, shrimp is long. And shrimp tacos, that was, ooh, God, that was so good. I'm almost full.
Good thing about seafood for me is I don't mind. I always reheat it, and when I reheat it, that's when I demolish it.
It's so interesting that you know how to reheat seafood, though, because you reheat it and it tastes fresh. Well, as far as I reheat it and it tastes like a rubber tire. Like, I don't know how to reheat most foods outside of spaghetti.
That's a no-brainer, ain't it?
Right. These are a little sticky. Stick to the shell a bit.